So the next question, Maisham. So describe how you would test a single page application using Cypress.
Okay. Uh, Testing a single page application with Cypress involves validating routing, dynamic content, and state changes triggered by user interactions. In the recent project, Beacon project, I used Cypress to test our single page application by simulating user interactions, verifying that the URL updates correctly, and ensuring that the dynamic content loads and state changes occur as expected. For instance, I tested navigation by clicking links and buttons and validate that API requests return the correct data and confirm that UI elements updated in response. This approach ensure our application functionality and performance were robust and user friendly.
Got it. Okay.
Thank you.